lot more inventory on the market, but what I'm not seeing is quality inventory that I'm falling in love with.
You know what, don't give up hope just yet. We're here in Wildwood, it's nature's walkway. We're here at 64 Wildwood East. It's a 1,200 square foot 2-story, completely renovated, 3 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms, a single attached garage, and way more. Wow. You're gonna love it.
Great. Yep, you're right, I do love this. Oh, and this little breakfast nook. So cool, I could totally see myself having coffee.
Right? What's not to love? A completely renovated kitchen, quartz countertops, full backsplash going to the ceiling, so extensively renovated in such a mature and exclusive area. Doesn't come by often.
Yeah, and vinyl plank flooring.
Yes, who doesn't love 3 beds with 1 full bath on the upstairs?
Who doesn't love a fully finished basement with a full bathroom? You could transform this space into whatever you want to fit your lifestyle. Oh yeah. Who doesn't love a beautiful sunroom, especially in Winnipeg?
Absolutely. But let's also check out the patio in the back as well. Check out this patio space. So much additional room here to entertain. You can really smell the foliage, the mature trees. You can even hear the birds chirping out here.
Seriously, who would not love this place?